chef? No.
Rub, it's called kitchen pepper.
Love that.
Are you a person who likes to spend time in the kitchen? Then you could enjoy it more with the latest gadgets, making your chores easy and smoother. In this video, we will see such gadgets you should definitely own. Number 1. Cuisinart Yogurt Ice Cream Maker. With the Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker, you can make incredibly delicious and flavorful ice creams at home. You may prepare frozen desserts using the mixing paddle in only 20 minutes or even less. Desserts made in the double insulated freezer bowl are made without ice. The glass lid with an easy lock allows you to watch the procedure clearly. Also, thanks to the spout on the top, you can mix extra ingredients as you go along. Now you can experience frozen drinks, ice cream, yogurt, and more at home. You can make this yours for just $69.95. Number 2. Keurig Coffee Maker. A coffee maker is regarded as one of the best kitchen appliances because it can make coffee in just a few seconds. To ensure the highest quality coffee, this coffee machine includes 4 K-cup pods, 1 water filter handle, and 2 water filters. It works with 6, 8, and 10-ounce brew sizes. With a single refill, you can create 6 cups of coffee. Inserting the pod and choosing the brew amount are the only 2 easy steps needed to use this coffee maker. It's time for your coffee. The price for the Keurig Coffee Maker is $119.99. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper. We may conclude that the food processor is the kitchen tool that will ease the most of your labor when making various foods. This food processor makes mince, combines, blends, and creates a simple puree. Up to 10 bowls of ingredients can fit inside this enormous food processor bowl. The bowl has scraped sides so that you may empty it without using a spatula. You can now fix the problem of having to pause the processor so you can use the built-in scraper to clean the bowl's sides. It can be used with or without the processor turned on. You can use it even while the processor is on or off. The processor gives you a shred disc and S-blade for chopping, mixing, and pureeing. This chopper comes at just $59.99. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer. The stand mixer is the ideal gadget for quickly mixing a batch of bread or a salad dressing. Simply set the bowl on the stabilizer of the mixer and begin mixing or kneading. You may even move the bowl and stir it whenever you need to. With this stand mixer, you have a quick burst button and speed buttons that go up to 6. You receive 2 attachments, including beaters, whisks, and dough hooks when you buy this stand mixer. The price of this beach stand mixer is $48.99. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Slice Toaster. Use the 2-slice toaster to finish your breakfast as you get ready to leave for work. Simply put your bread in the slicer, toast it, and it will come out. You can toast bagels quite easily thanks to the broad slots. You may even raise the toast booster so that the food is brought higher for simple removal. To avoid over toasting your bread, use the Keep Warm feature to keep it warm. Even the bagel feature can be used to toast only the sliced side of the bread, and the defrost option can be used to toast frozen bread. This gadget comes at $37.45. Number 6. Hamilton Beach Sandwich Maker. With this little kitchen equipment, you can now grill paninis and sandwiches of any thickness. The cafe-style lid can be used to press paninis and sandwiches evenly. Thanks to its non-stick internal coating, this sandwich maker properly grills your sandwiches without allowing them to stick. In this sandwich maker, the grill plates cannot be removed. Also, the power and preheat light indicators let you know how it's operating. This gadget can be found on Amazon at just $44.99. Number 7. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. With this egg cooker from Dash, you can now boil eggs, poach eggs, and even make an omelet in a few minutes. It might be your best friend to cook your breakfast when you are short on time because it can boil 6 eggs at once. It has an auto shutoff feature to prevent overcooking of your eggs. A buzzer will also let you know when your eggs are ready. When you buy this cooker from Dash, you also get a steaming plate, an omelet dish, a measuring cup with a built-in pin, and a poaching tray. Its size and weight are both small and light. It can therefore fit in any kitchen space. Additionally, the fact that it comes in a variety of vibrant hues highlights. Moreover, its availability in different striking colors accentuates your kitchen space. The price is $19.95. Number 8. KitchenAid KSM150 PSER Artisan Tilt Head Stand Mixer. This stand mixer with a pouring shield makes your kitchen chores much easier quickly. You can bind dough for around 9 dozen cookies in a single batch using the 5-quart stainless steel basin that is included with it. As a result, it can be helpful to you when you host family get-togethers or parties at your home. It has 10 adjustable speed levels from a very quick whip to a very gentle stir. A flat beater, dough hook, wire whip, and pouring shield are included with this stand mixer. Also, it can be converted into a culinary center with more than 12 alternate attachments that enable you to do various tasks, such as creating fresh fusilli pasta and shredding cheese blocks. You can make this yours at $399.95. Number 9. Ninja Food Processor. Ninja Master Prep is a food processor that also functions as a mixer, a grinder, and a crusher. You may finely chop fresh things like fruits. Number 10. Presto FlipSide Belgian Waffle Maker. For all waffle lovers, it is now simple to quickly prepare waffles in the waffle maker. Its rotating waffle maker's 4 parts can each bake a waffle with a maximum diameter of 7 inches. Stainless steel makes up the waffle maker's outside, and non-stick materials were used to create the interior. Simply evenly distribute the batter and turn the waffle machine to 1800. Thanks to the digital countdown timer and indication, you can see when the baking is finished. You can get it for yourself at $61.99.
And there's our waffle. It looks brown.
With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you liked this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, click on the links you see on the screen. We will come back again with more content. Until then, goodbye.